Hey guys, welcome to my channel Craft Magic. Today I will teach you how to make this paper bird. Okay, to make this paper bird you will need a piece of square paper. Alright, so let's begin. First you're going to be doing the basic folds. Half again, into a triangle, and into a triangle again. Okay, so here are all my folds. Now what you're going to be doing is taking this and folding it like this, and carefully place this like this. So like this and then like this. There you have it. See, should be looking like this on the down and up like this. Now what you're going to do is you have to take this flap and put it on the middle line over here. Do the same over here. Do the same on this side also. I'm going to be skipping that part. Okay, so I have done those steps. Now what you're going to do is take this part and fold it down like this on both the sides. Now open up all the folds, not all, these folds, and take this flap up like this and put it up like this. Make it into a diamond type of shape. Do the same on this side. After you have done that, fold this flap to here like this. Flip it over, fold this flap here. So it will be looking like this. Now hold it up like this. Fix little things. Okay, now pull it down. You will be able to do this if you have followed all these steps. Okay, do the same here. Alright, you can adjust it accordingly. Okay, now what you're going to do is just put one of your finger in and pull it down and push it out like this. You have the bird's face here. Now this is the tail. Okay, now you're going to take this flap and fold it up. Do the same over here, match it. Okay, there you go, you have your bird. If you liked my video, then like it. If you loved my video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.